Get ready to discover the most powerful breathing technique that we have in Kundalini Yoga. Breath of fire. That's right. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. We'll do a little practice, and you're going to be a breath of fire pro in under 3 minutes. Here we go. All right. So for the breath of fire, you don't even need to be sitting on your mat. You could be sitting on a chair. You could actually also just be walking around at the grocery store. Breath of fire, you can do it anywhere. One thing I do want to say, if you are on the first 3 days of your moon cycle, and also if you're pregnant, just skip the breath of fire and do long, slow, deep breathing. Here we go. Breath of fire is a rhythmic breath where you focus a bit more on the exhale and the inhale just kind of happens. You stick out your tongue and you pant. And if you'll notice, right down there, my navel is moving. So your navel contracts for that exhale. And on the inhale, your navel just kind of relaxes and the air automatically comes in. So I'll put my hand on my belly and feel free to do that too. And when you've got that rhythm going a little bit, then you just close your mouth and you do that through the nose. So it's an equal inhale and exhale, and you'll just have to play with it and find your rhythm. Here we go. Breath of fire. We'll start with an open mouth and then we'll bring it through the nose and do a little practice together. All right. Find your rhythm. It could be a little bit slower than mine or a little bit faster than mine. Keep the breath of fire going and bring your arms out to the sides with your palms facing up. And gently raise your chin just a little tiny bit. And keep the breath of fire going. Remembering the head straight back. And your hands back into prayer pose. And a deep inhale. Hold the breath in, suspend it just for a moment. And exhale, release the arms down, hands on the thighs, on the knees, breathe. Breath of fire is a beautifully cleansing breath. And it also focuses you right and grounds you back into your inner channel. Well done.